In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a character animation in Renderforest and export it. Start on your PC by opening your preferred web browser and heading to renderforest.com. Give the home page a moment to load, then look to the top right and click Log In. Sign in with your account so you have full access to the editing tools and can save your work as you go. Once you're in, click on Templates. This is the main library where Renderforest keeps ready-made projects you can customize. To focus specifically on animated projects, click Animation. This narrows the options to templates that are designed for motion, which makes building your video faster and more consistent. From here, choose any animation template that uses characters. Character-based templates are great for explainers, intros, tutorials, or storytelling because they include pre-designed scenes with people and actions. Pick one that matches your tone and purpose, whether you want something playful, professional, or minimalist, and keep in mind the length and structure you're aiming for. Click Create Now to open the editor. Inside the editor, look for the Scenes section. Scenes are the building blocks of your video, each representing a distinct part of the story. Select Scenes, then choose Select All. This adds every scene from the template to your timeline, which is helpful if you want the full structure the template provides. You can still rearrange or remove scenes later if needed, but starting with the complete set makes it easier to see the full flow. Next, select a character style and click Add to Video. The character style defines the look of the people in your animation, things like proportions, line thickness, and overall aesthetic. Choose a style that complements your topic and brand personality. After adding the characters, your scenes will update to reflect that look across the video for visual consistency. Now click on Colors and Transitions to add design according to your preference. This is where you set your color palette and the way scenes move from one to the next. For colors, consider high contrast for readability and limit your palette to a few complementary shades. For transitions, pick effects that feel smooth and on-brand. Subtle transitions often keep the focus on your message. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Export. Renderforest will process the animation and prepare your video file. Once the export finishes, your character animation is ready to use, share, or publish wherever you need it.